जो ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का सेकेंड लेक्चर है। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज के बारे में पढ़ लिया था। अब सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे कि रिलेशन बिटवीन बेस परपेंडिकुलर एंड हाइपोटेन्यूस, बिकॉज इफ एनीवन इज नॉट गिवन, हाउ टू फाइंड दिस बेस परपेंडिकुलर and hypotenuse. In right angle triangle, if angle theta is on vertex A and 90 degree at B, so opposite side of 90 degree is hypotenuse and opposite side of angle is perpendicular and remaining side is base. So in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of perpendicular square and base square. So we can write AC square, that means H square, BC square, PA square plus BA square. By this formula, we can find any of this. Now second, relation between six identities: sin x, cos x, cosec x, that's the six identities. First, sin theta and cosec theta. Sin theta is equal to P upon H and cosec theta equal to H upon P. We can see here sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal to each other. So sin theta multiply cosec theta equal to sin theta, that is P upon H, cosec theta, that is H upon P. We cancel on. After this we get 1. That is product of sin theta and cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, cos theta multiply sec theta equal to 1 and tan theta multiply cot theta equal to 1. See, tan theta is equal to P upon B. We divide numerator and denominator by H, P upon H and B upon H. So P upon H is the value of sin theta and B upon H is the value of cos theta. So we can write tan theta is equal to sin theta and sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is equal to B upon P. Also we can divide it by H, B upon H, P upon H. B upon H is the value of cos theta and P upon H is the value of sin theta. So cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. I am writing these 5 formulas. First, sin theta multiply cosec theta equal to 1. Second, cos theta multiply sec theta equal to 1. Third, tan theta multiply cot theta equal to 1. Fourth, tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Last, cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. These 5 formulas are used in first exercise of R.D. Sharma. So we will do first exercise in next lecture.